Hi guys, I'm here and we're back with another video. For this one, it's an update about grass. Ano ba nangyayari sa grass natin, guys? At if you have a grass airdrop, if you still have holdings from your airdrop, from your free tokens, yan. Ito yung latest update niya ngayon, guys. At ito yung latest na price ni grass. Kung makikita natin sa Bybit right now, it's $3.05. Napakalaking halaga na yan, guys. Do you remember nung listing niya, it was $1. And syempre, most airdrop users or yan, airdrop participants, nag-sell agad sila right after the listing kasi syempre, free money siya, diba? Pero kung makikita nyo dito, guys, paakyat ng paakyat si grass. Maraming rumors across crypto space na si grass is possible to reach, yan, potential na mag-reach siya ng $10 per token. Wow, grabe. Imagine grass at $10, sobrang, tapos may holdings ka pa, you still have remaining tokens from your airdrop, at tumabot siya ng $10, ay wow, congratulations. Pero syempre, doon sa mga nag-sell, sa mga nag-sell ng airdrop nila, ng mga free tokens nila sa grass, congratulations pa rin kasi diba free lang naman siya at hindi natin expected na mag $1 si grass right after the listing. But look at the graph, it's still, yan, tumataas pa rin yung price, pero syempre nagbabounce siya, umabot siya last time nag 1.9 or yeah, $2, almost $2, and nag-bounce back siya dito sa $1.3. May mga nagtatanong kung it's worth it pa ba bumili sa price ni grass sa market. Pero kasi, actually, you have an option naman to buy, diba? Any amount na you want, you can buy grass sa market. Pero kasi right now, it's $3, so medyo mataas na siya. I suggest or I recommend wait for pullback. For sure, magpo-pullback yan. Sabihin natin, pwedeng $2, around $1.5, depende sa market, depende sa takbo ng overall crypto market right now or this quarter. Pero if you're planning to buy, wait for pullback kasi malay natin nadala ka lang ng emotion nyo or na-hype kayo at bibili kayo dito sa $3. So, kumusta naman yung mga nakabili sa $4? Tingnan nyo yan. Umabot pa siya ng almost $4 pala dito sa taas. Yan. $3.9. Paano yung mga nakabili sa taas and then umabot siya dito sa $2.8? So, dito sa crypto, guys, huwag kayo masyadong magpa-hype. Although, meron siyang possibility na mag-reach ng $10, pero maybe that will happen next year, next month. We don't know, but wait for pullback if you're planning to buy more grass token. Kasi, huwag magpadala masyado sa emotion kasi dapat lagi kayong i-manage yung money management, yung risk management ninyo. Always manage your risk, trade at your own risk, always do your own research. Kung wala pa naman kayo grass na airdrop or you weren't able to participate on season 1, there's still season 2 where we can earn more grass points that will be converted to grass tokens. So if you don't have it yet, you can still create an account. Look at my dashboard, guys. I'll show you my dashboard. So I was able to participate in season 1 and then yeah, I'm eligible at ito yung natin ngayon, account natin. So I have 75,000. Basta laging connected yung internet ninyo, automatic na siya mag-earn ng points. So, if wala pa kayong grass sa season 2, you can still create an account, participate with the project, and I will show you the step-by-step tutorial. Meron tayong step-by-step tutorials niyan on how to participate in season 2. So, yung sa mga nagtatanong naman, guys, na hindi sila eligible. So, bakit daw hindi eligible yung wallet nila? Bakit daw, kung useless na ba daw na sumali sa season 2 kasi nga hindi eligible eh. So, linawin natin guys, yung hindi eligible yung wallet address nila. Yung eligibility na nakalagay dyan is for season 1 yan. So, yan yung sa season 1 natin na na-check natin yung eligibility. Pero kung ngayon sa season 2 na hindi eligible yung account ninyo, yung wallet ninyo, if it's not eligible, kahit anong wallet mailagay ninyo dyan, hindi talaga magiging eligible yung nakalagay. Kasi nga, hindi pa naman tapos yung season 2. Usually kasi, may kita lang yung eligibility kapag malapit na yung distribution para sa season 2. So, don't worry if you're not eligible, if your wallet is showing not eligible for now. Just continue na mag-farm, open lang yung network ninyo, open yung internet ninyo, and then continue farming para mas makarami kayo ng grass. Yung eligibility naman, problemahin natin yan pag patapos na yung season 2. So, that's all for today, guys. Just to be clear lang to everyone who are asking na hindi sila eligible. And yan, if you want more crypto airdrop with step-by-step tutorials, you can also subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Bye-bye!